Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from SAMSUNG Galaxy A35. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this 3 credits banner, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery. Okay, I have only this picture, so let's import it. Now you can choose the shape to your photo. After that, you can select the filter for your photo. If you're ready, click on the accept icon. Choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.